Everyone thinks the best-selling gaming mice are automatically the best. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Wired Mouse. The Amazon Basics 3-button USB wired mouse caught my eye immediately with its simple design and affordable price of just $7.99. If you want something reliable and no frills for basic tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 1000 dpi optical tracking, you can expect precise cursor control that's crucial for anything from casual gaming to work tasks. The plug-and-play feature means you can just connect it and start using it without any hassle. Plus, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac, making it a versatile choice for anyone. And let's not forget, over 10,000 of these have been sold just this month, showing there's a solid demand for it. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features like programmable buttons or a high DPI setting. Here's the thing though, if you just need a mouse for everyday tasks or light gaming, this is not a deal breaker. It gets the job done without any fuss. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-nonsense mouse for basic use. Skip this one if you need something more advanced with customizable features. The price? It's a solid deal. Now, if the lack of features concern you, this next mouse might actually be a better fit.
Product number 2, Razer Basilisk V3. Next up is the Razer Basilisk V3, priced at $34.98. The ergonomic design and customizable features really caught my attention. If you want a gaming mouse that feels good in your hand and offers great functionality, this one deserves a closer look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 11 programmable buttons, you can set up macros for your favorite games, like quick weapon swaps or chat functions, which can give you a competitive edge. Plus, the 26K DPI optical sensor means your movements will be tracked accurately, which is crucial for those intense gaming sessions. The customizable RGB lighting is just the cherry on top, allowing you to personalize your setup. It's also got an impressive reputation, with over 7,000 sold this month, hinting at its popularity among gamers. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller hands. Here's the thing though, if you have medium to large hands, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, as it's designed for comfort during extended use. This is perfect for you if you're serious about gaming and want a mouse that can keep up. Skip this if you have smaller hands or prefer something lighter. For the features offered, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer wireless.
Product number 3, Logitech G502 Lightspeed. Now, let's talk about the Logitech G502 Lightspeed, which doesn't have a listed price, but is widely regarded for its premium features. If you want a high-performance wireless mouse, this is a must-see. Why does this matter for you? The Lightspeed technology means zero lag, which is essential for competitive gaming. The Hero 25K sensor offers a max DPI of 25,600, providing incredibly precise tracking. Plus, you can customize 11 buttons for whatever actions you need, making it versatile for different games. And with over 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear gamers trust this brand. However, some users noted that the weight might be too heavy for their liking. Here's the deal. If you prefer a lightweight mouse, this might not be your best choice. But if you're looking for stability and control, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're an avid gamer who needs reliable performance. Skip this if you want something lighter or less expensive. For what you get, it's top-notch. Next up, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still packed with features, check this out.
Product number 4, Razer DeathAdder Essential. Next is the Razer DeathAdder Essential, priced at $24.99. This classic design really caught my eye for its ergonomic feel and well-known performance. If you want a reliable gaming mouse that's comfortable, this is worth considering. Why is this great for you? The 6400 DPI optical sensor gives you the precision you need for fast-paced gaming, and you can quickly adjust sensitivity on the fly. With 5 programmable buttons, you can set up your commands to streamline your gameplay. The mouse is also built to last, with mechanical switches rated for up to 10 million clicks, so you won't have to worry about it failing on you anytime soon. It's popular too, with about 3,000 sold in the last month alone. Now, some users mention that it may feel a bit basic compared to other gaming mice. Here's the thing though, if you want a straightforward, effective mouse without the extra bells and whistles, this is perfect. This is perfect for you if you want an ergonomic design for long gaming sessions. Skip this if you need a highly customizable mouse. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking...
Product number 5, Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed. Last but not least, we have the Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed. While it doesn't have a set price, it's built for serious gamers. If you want something that combines advanced tech with comfort, you'll want to hear about this. Here's why this matters for you. With 285 hours of battery life on Hyperspeed Wireless, you can game for days without needing to recharge. The 18K optical sensor provides excellent tracking accuracy, and the 9 programmable controls mean you can set it up just how you like. Also, the RGB lighting adds a nice touch to your gaming setup. With around 3,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among gamers. However, a few users pointed out that the price range might be a bit on the higher side. Here's the thing. If you're serious about gaming and want a mouse that won't hold you back, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want high performance without the hassle of wires. Skip this if you're looking for a budget mouse. Given the features, it's a solid choice for dedicated gamers.
So, there you have it. From the basic yet reliable Amazon Basics mouse to the high-performance Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed, there's something here for everyone. Each of these gaming mice offers unique features to fit different needs and budgets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, I hope you found the right pick for your gaming setup.